My name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanics 757. I'm working on 09 BMW 328i. We're getting ready to test the battery. Young lady just got the battery 1 year ago. If you're going to get a Mercedes-Benz battery, please get the gold battery, not the silver battery. You want good quality parts. That's here nor there. We're getting ready to test the battery, but the battery's already at the threshold of 9.58. As soon as she hits the key, it's going to drop below because it cannot crank. It takes 5 volts for the inside of the car to work and a minimum of 9 volts on a load on a battery to turn the starter. Would you be so kind to try to start the car? She's going to try to start the car and watch it drop like a rock. Watch the number. As you can see, it's dropped all the way to 8. It is not going to be able to start this car in any shape, form, or way. Now we're going to run a battery test. All right, so she has 825 cranking amps. So we're going to do 825 cranking amps. This is going to fail miserably. Her symptoms are the car is cutting off or does not want to start. Without a strong battery, your car will not run correctly in any shape, form, or way. Enter. Cranking amps. I'm going to do 825.
325. 328 extra.
Here goes the test. Charge, retest. It's time to get it, recharge the battery. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. All right, so